Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure American Express dispute workflow for card members, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure the American Express dispute workflow for card members, begin by logging into the American Express online dashboard. Navigate to the Account Services section in the main menu. Select Dispute Management from the drop-down options available. Click on Set up Dispute Workflow to initiate the configuration process. You will be prompted to choose the type of disputes your card members can initiate. Select options based on common issues, such as transaction discrepancies or unauthorized charges. Once selected, proceed to configure the dispute resolution timeline. Outline the expected timeframe for each stage of the dispute process. Next, assign team members responsible for handling disputes. Ensure that each member has the appropriate training and access to necessary resources. Customize notifications for both card members and your internal team. Decide how and when updates will be communicated throughout the dispute process. Set up a tracking system for monitoring dispute status and resolutions. Implement a feedback mechanism for card members to provide insights on their experience. After finalizing the workflow, conduct a review session with your team. Make any necessary adjustments based on team feedback. Once satisfied, formally launch the dispute workflow. Provide training sessions for card members on how to initiate disputes through the new system. Monitor the effectiveness of the workflow regularly. Adjust as needed based on performance metrics and card member feedback. Ensure that all team members stay updated with any changes or improvements to the dispute process. This ensures a smooth and efficient experience for both your team and card members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.